So that was Bullet for My Valentine with Your Betrayal. And lots going on in that riff, lots of stop-starty chugging, and then you got... So it's really hard to keep the guitar quiet when you're doing all that, so requires a lot of muting. Now I don't know for sure if Padge, when he's playing this, if he's picking and then doing a pull-off, but I don't play it that way. I'm just using it as a left-hand exercise, basically. You could try that too. One thing to remember is to keep your fretting hand really relaxed. You don't want too much tension. You just want enough tension just to basically flick the note. Because the riff in that song goes on forever during that intro. It's a really good one. It's some heavy shit from the Welsh boys. I like that. Yeah, give it a go.